Hey guys, sorry it's been so long since I made a video. I'm out here in front of my car. I bought some Cadillac lights, shadow lights, to put in the doors. My car is filthy rotten. Look at this. This is just from yesterday. Look how dirty. That was frost and rain made that dirt on the black. Tells you how dirty the rain and frost and snow is. But I'm going to show you the little things. These are the little things they just plug in to the bottom of the doors. I'm going to plug them in and try them. I'll come back later on tonight to show you to see if they work good or not. Okay, I'm going to hook it up myself. I just pried this open out of my door with a flat top screwdriver, and I'm going to put this one in. It just basically clips in. You're just going to take this one out and clip it in and then push it back up. Okay guys, I got it in on that door. I'm going for the passenger side door now. Get this in. Takes a little bit of prying. You have to use a flat top screwdriver, but you got to be very careful not to break the plastic underneath the door. It's right under here. I don't know if you guys can pick that. Wait, my car door is dirty. Oh, there it is. Okay guys, this is something else I ordered from Amazon. This is my hubby's. He ordered there's a bunch of lights that go underneath your vehicle or like under your dash or whatever. It all depends on what vehicle you're hooking it to. He is going to put it on his quad. There's like a lot of wiring and stuff like that, and you hook up to the battery. There's key fobs and stuff like that, and all that. Now, we won't be hooking this up today, probably tomorrow or sometime this week, but I will be adding it onto this video. Sorry I haven't done a video lately. I've been working a lot through Christmas. At work, it has been crazy during Christmas, so I had a lot of hours, so I never had time to do videos, but I will try to make more videos now. I'm going to show this being hooked up, and you'll see in the earlier video, the ones for my car, there was nothing to it. It was so simple and easy. And we're going to wait till tonight. We're going to go out and see how bright those lights are. So I'll film that. Okay guys, it's dark out and look. That is really cute. I like that. And where the road is wet, it's like kind of sparkly. I love it. This is nice. Okay, there's the cords ready to go on the bike. He got the panels off the top of his quad. He's going to install them first. He's got to pre-drill holes. These drills ready, they're ready to go. And that's the cable that runs up to like a little remote that he presses whenever he wants the lights on. Like I said, I don't want to pull too hard because it's wired up. That red cord you see right there. Okay, he's putting Loctite there on the nuts and bolts so that the bolts don't ever move when the vehicle's bouncing around, so they stay on and it stays permanent. For this kit here, you're going to need a number 3 metric Allen key for hooking this up, just for this kit, and pliers. You will need your own tools basically. It just comes mostly with wiring. There's no Allen keys or anything like that. Now, that's all screwed in. Now these here got to be cut off so they don't stick up. Now, if the pliers that he was using wasn't working for you, get yourself a pair of bolt cutters. They'll work just as well. And you can see these are all chopped off now. Now he's starting over on the second light on the other side. There's the light under the fender. It's all hooked up. So he's going to hook up the next one. And I'll start taping again when it's all done, and we'll see how good they are. Okay guys, there's 8 pods in the kit. He only got 4 hooked up, so there's 4 left. That's where it's wired up. And I forgot to mention, there's also, you can scan a code on the kit that you can use an app on your phone to control the lights. Guys, look at that. See that? That's where his little switch is to, and he's got it on now. Look, it changes colors. You can see it. You know, back up. It's on all 4 tires. We get the lights off in the garage so you can see. It flickers. I think he only got it on blue right now, but I think you can change colors. It's just flicking blue. That is so cool. So guys, if you want us to get a kit like this, you can get them on Amazon. The kit is around, I think, is like $80-something. And he wanted one for your bike. He's thinking on getting one of these for his truck too. So, and guys, there's green, just a white one.
Amber. Light blue.
Red. And purple. That's so cool. It's all under these tires.
There's white.
Yeah. That's like a bluish green. So that's our newest lights. I figured I'd make a video to show you. You saw my Cadillac. Now you saw his bike. If we get any new stuff, he is going to get some whip lights because we are going to buy a side-by-side. So I'm going to show you guys that whenever we get it. It probably won't be for a while yet. But I'll have a new video for you guys out soon. So if you like this one, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.